Assalamu alaikum. Subject Geographia, class 6th. Topic the major domains of the earth. Subtopic take the correct answer. The mountain range that separates Europe from Asia is the Andes, the Himalayas, the Urals. Answer the Urals mountain range. B part. The continent of North America is linked to South America by an isthmus, strait, a canal. Answer an isthmus. C part. The major constituent of atmosphere by percent is nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide. Answer nitrogen. D part. The domain of the earth consisting of solid rocks is the atmosphere, the hydrosphere, the lithosphere. Answer the lithosphere. E part. Which is the largest continent? Africa, Asia, Australia. Answer Asia. आज का सबक खत्म हुआ, इससे आगे आइंदा पढ़ेंगे.